I love flapjacks, but I hate the fact that they contain a lot of sugar. So I decided to make my own sugar-free flapjacks and to make them gluten-free as well. These bars contain only oats, dates, cranberries and sesame seed. And because I used coconut oil, it's also vegan. Feel free to use the ingredients you like. Grind the oats a little bit more than I did and you'll be fine. A kitchen tool is not really necessary, but feel free to use one. I'm just using my own hands. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you will help me keeping this content free of charge. Just stir in all ingredients and press well. These soft oats bar are baked in the oven for 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius and they turned out so soft, nice and gooey. I love them. Thanks for watching.